Unleash your inner strength. A powerful back in 10 minutes. Hey there, fitness fanatics. Today we're diving into the world of back workouts. A strong back is essential. It improves posture, prevents injuries, and makes you look amazing. In just 10 minutes, you can build a back of steel. Are you ready to unleash your inner strength? Let's go. Warm up, prime your back for action. Warming up is crucial to prevent injuries and ensure your muscles are ready for the workout. Before we hit the weights, let's warm up those back muscles. A proper warm-up increases blood flow, enhances flexibility, and prepares your muscles for the intense workout ahead. Grab a resistance band and let's get started. Resistance bands are excellent tools for warming up because they provide constant tension, which helps activate your muscles effectively. Band pull-aparts. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. This exercise targets your upper back and shoulders, helping to improve posture and shoulder stability. Hold the band taut in front of you with straight arms. Make sure your grip is firm but not too tight, and your arms are parallel to the ground. Pull the band apart, bringing your shoulder blades together. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades as if you are trying to hold a pencil between them. Hold for a second and slowly return to the starting position. Do 15 reps. Remember to breathe steadily throughout the exercise. Band rows. Sit on the floor with legs extended. This exercise is great for targeting the middle back and improving overall back strength. Loop the band around your feet and hold the ends in each hand. Ensure the band is secure and won't slip during the exercise. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Engaging your core helps to stabilize your spine and prevents lower back strain. Pull the band towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Imagine you are trying to bring your elbows to meet behind your back. Hold for a second and slowly return. Do 15 reps. Consistency is key, so make sure each rep is controlled and deliberate. These warm-up exercises will increase blood flow to your back muscles, preparing them for the workout ahead. A well-prepared back is essential for lifting heavier weights and performing more complex movements safely and effectively. Pull-ups, conquer the bar, command your back. This exercise is not just a test of strength, but a testament to your dedication and perseverance. Time for the king of back exercises, pull-ups. They are the ultimate move to sculpt and strengthen your back muscles. Here's how to do them, like a pro. Mastering the pull-up requires proper technique and consistency. Grab a pull-up bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. This grip ensures maximum engagement of your back muscles. Hang freely with arms fully extended. The starting position is crucial for a full range of motion. Engage your back muscles and pull yourself up until your chin is over the bar. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together. Slowly lower yourself back down to the starting position. Control is key to prevent injury and maximize muscle engagement. Aim for as many reps as possible with good form. Quality over quantity will yield the best results. If you're new to pull-ups, use an assisted pull-up machine or resistance bands for support. These tools can help you build the necessary strength gradually. Pull-ups are challenging but incredibly effective for building upper back strength and size. With consistent practice, you'll see significant improvements in your back definition and overall upper body strength. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, pull-ups can be adapted to fit your fitness level. Keep pushing, stay consistent, and conquer the bar. Bent over barbell rows. Unleash raw power. Next up, we're hitting bent over barbell rows for serious back thickness. Stance, stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a barbell with an overhand grip. Bend at your hips, keeping your back straight and core engaged. Pull the barbell towards your lower chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower. Slowly lower the barbell back to the starting position. Choose a weight that challenges you while maintaining good form. Remember to keep your back straight throughout the exercise. Bent over barbell rows are a compound movement that works multiple muscle groups, including your lats, traps, and rhomboids. Lat Pulldowns sculpt a wide, powerful back. Let's target those lats with lat pull-downs. First, adjust the lat pull-down machine to a comfortable weight. Sit facing the machine and grab the bar with a wide overhand grip. Engage your lats and pull the bar down to your upper chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the bottom of the movement. Slowly return the bar to the starting position, maintaining tension on your lats. Focus on controlling the movement and feeling the stretch in your lats. Lat pull-downs are excellent for building a wider back and improving your posture. Seated cable rows. Carve every detail. Time to work those back muscles from a different angle with seated cable rows. Sit on the cable machine with your feet flat on the footrests. Grab the V-bar attachment with an overhand grip. Extend your arms fully, leaning slightly back. Pull the handle towards your abdomen, keeping your back straight and shoulders down. Slowly return the handle to the starting position, feeling a stretch in your back. Seated cable rows effectively target your middle back muscles, enhancing definition and strength. Vary your grip overhand, underhand, close wide to target different areas of your back. Dumbbell shrugs, trap the power. Now let's build some serious trap strength with dumbbell shrugs. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand with a neutral grip. Shrug your shoulders straight up towards your ears, keeping your arms straight. Hold the top position for a second, squeezing your traps. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position. Focus on a controlled movement and avoid swinging the weights. Dumbbell shrugs are a simple yet effective exercise for building massive traps. Cool down and recovery, embrace the afterglow. After an intense workout, it's crucial to give your body the time it needs to recover and rejuvenate. This phase is just as important as the workout itself. Great work. You've crushed your 10-minute back workout. Feel proud of what you've accomplished. Your muscles have worked hard, and now it's time to reward them with some gentle care. Now let's cool down with some light stretching. Stretching helps to relax the muscles, improve circulation, and prevent stiffness. It's a perfect way to transition from high energy to a state of calm. Start on your hands and knees. This position is a great starting point for many stretches, providing stability and support. Inhale and arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. This movement helps to stretch the spine and release tension in the back. Exhale and drop your belly towards the floor, lifting your head and tailbone. This is the cow pose, which complements the cat pose by stretching the front of your body. Repeat 5 to 10 times. This sequence helps to increase flexibility in the spine and can be very soothing. Kneel on the floor with your knees wider than hip width apart. This position helps to open up the hips and prepare for a deeper stretch. Sit back on your heels and fold forward, resting your forehead on the floor. This is the child's pose, a restorative stretch that calms the mind and body. Extend your arms out in front of you and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Feel the stretch along your back and shoulders and breathe deeply. These stretches will help improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Incorporating them into your routine can enhance your overall fitness and well-being. Remember to stay hydrated and fuel your body with protein-rich foods for optimal recovery. Hydration aids in muscle repair, while protein helps to rebuild and strengthen muscle fibers. Embrace the afterglow of your workout and give your body the care it deserves. Maximize your results. Tips for back building success. Ready to take your back workout to the next level? Here are some tips for maximizing your results. Gradually increase the weight, reps, or sets as you get stronger. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout each exercise to avoid injuries. Concentrate on contracting your back muscles during each movement. Allow your muscles adequate time to rest and recover between workouts. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your workout routine and you'll see amazing results over time. Join the 10-minute back revolution. Congratulations on completing this powerful back workout. You're one step closer to building a stronger, more impressive back. Remember, consistency is key. Make this workout a regular part of your fitness routine and watch your back transform. Now I want to hear from you. How did you find this 10-minute back workout? Let me know in the comments below. And stay tuned for more awesome workout routines coming your way. Let's keep pushing those limits and achieving our fitness goals together.